from my old PC to the new one. This was my old PC. It was very standard, but I had installed a graphic card 1030 onto it, which was enough to play CSGO and Dota. Now, after spending a lot of time, I finally figured out I wanted to play better games, and with the current graphic card market, I had to spend hours and hours trying to find the best price. My setup is very minimal, just some LED lights and a docking station for my MacBook whenever I wanted to do work. But overall, it gave me a good feeling. But now it's time to upgrade. So after a lot of research, I finally got my hands on the AMD 6600 XT. Other than this, I got the Intel i7 1100K. I have a water cooler, which is the CoolerMaster ML240L RGB. And for the motherboard, I have the ASRock Z590 Phantom Gaming 4, a 650 watt gold PSU, a 1TB M.2 drive, and some additional fans. The case I went with was the Dark Flash V22 just because it was inverted and I wanted the case to be open from the right side. So I got all my equipment ready and it's now time to get the build started. Say hi to the camera. For the build, all the equipment you need is a box cutter, a number 0 Phillips, and a number 2 Phillips. That's all you're gonna need. And if you want to stay extra safe, you can get a static cuff from Amazon for about $7. So this is the new 6600 by AMD, which is recently launched. The first thing we did was install the processor, which required quite some effort but was easy. Next, we went on to install the RAM. These are 2 sticks of 16 GB each. For this, we were confused on what to do next, so we went with installing the PSU. I was really surprised to see how stiff the PSU wires were, and this does require a lot of effort. Got the motherboard in. Our next target was to get the water cooler on it, and that's what took a lot of time. We first installed the motherboard only to realize that we have to take it out and then install the water cooler on it before putting it inside the case. I've seen other people have an easier time, but I think just because this is an inverted case, we had to take this extra step, which took a long time. After an hour, we finally got the water cooler inside, and now we only have to get the cables connected. The PC turned out to be awesome. It gave me the option to see into the PC from the right side and access it whenever I want. One of the issues I did come up with was the fans not working on the graphic card unless they were overheating, but this issue was easily solvable by installing MSI Afterburner. So overall, the graphic card is pretty good. I got a decent FPS on Avengers, and I got over 300 FPS on CSGO. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hopefully I will see you again in the next video.